Welcome to DeFi Crypto Today. Our topic today is Upfire, a decentralized peer-to-peer file sharing protocol on Binance Smart Chain. It's actually an app that you can download on either Macintosh, Windows, or Linux. And it allows you to share files online with other people. And you can even earn fees out of that in BNB tokens. So it's quite interesting. This is a sponsored video, but I always select the sponsors that I get to make sure that they are projects that I believe in. I think this is a good project. I think it provides value to content creators that want to distribute the projects. So if you have documents or videos or whatever that you want to use and distribute on the blockchain, you can do that peer-to-peer using Upfire. Okay, so we're going to have a look at how it works and what it's all about, and let's dive in. So it's an open source file sharing protocol. So it works a little bit like torrent works. Okay, the torrent network is very popular because people can share files peer-to-peer. It's very efficient, and it allows for fast transfer of files as well. So we're doing this here, but on the blockchain, to allow people to be incentivized to seed the files. Okay, that's the point of this. So it's 100% decentralized. Okay, and it's a secure P2P file sharing protocol, okay, where users can earn crypto by seeding files. Okay, and it's using the Binance Smart Chain to maximize earnings and minimize fees. So it's very cost efficient. All right, so the product is a download. It's a file that you need to install on your computer. So you can install it on Windows, Linux, or Mac OS. Okay, and it's a decentralized application as well. Okay, it encrypts and distributes the files over a decentralized net. So, and users earn BNB every time a seeded file is downloaded and decrypted by other users. Okay, that's how you earn money. So this is an idea what the project looks like, and this is the screen where you would see how much you're earning here. Okay, let's have a look at the bottom here. This is very important. The community is what makes the project interesting. They have a very vibrant Telegram and Discord channels where you can talk about the files that you are uploading on the system, okay, and publicize them so that people get interested in downloading them and seeding them. Okay. All right, so let's have a look at what it does. Okay, so as I said earlier, it works like a torrent client, but it's set on the blockchain. Okay, and the files are distributed very quickly, safely, and efficiently. And the biggest problem that people had with regular torrent is that when you want to share files, people need to seed them, and after a while people get tired of seeding them because there's so many files to seed, I guess, and there's no incentive for them to keep seeding the files for after a while, okay, because they're not earning anything to do it. They're just doing it because they want to help other people download the files. Okay, so with Upfire, people get incentives. Okay, they get paid to seed the files. Okay, they get a share of the value of the file. So we can price the file. Okay, and people that are seeding them get part of the earnings. Okay, of those that download the files and pay for them. All right. So it's ideal for content creators that want to distribute any kind of file. So you can be a Word document, an Excel spreadsheet, a video, an audio file, whatever you want. And you can earn some BNB in the process. So Let's have a look at what the app looks like. It's one of the easiest things to install. It takes about 1 minute or two to get set up. So you download the file. It's a small file. Once it's installed on your computer, okay, it's inviting you to create an Upfire file. Okay. So what you need to do is you start by creating a wallet. Either you have a wallet already, and so you can import the JSON file and that contains your keys, or you create a new one. All right. So most people will create a new file. So you type in your password and you create a new wallet. Okay. Now, don't forget that if you lose the password, you're gone, okay? You have no access to your wallet, all right? So make sure you keep it in a safe place. All right, now you're ready to upload files. It's as simple as that. So here, I actually did an upload. I uploaded my crypto strategy book. Okay, and I filled in the blanks. I put a small amount here, 0.01 BNB, 0.001 BNB, and I put a description, and then we upload. Okay, so now you end up with a list of uploads. So you can see my book here that's listed, and now it's available on the network, and people could download it. Now, what I would do is, if I want people to download it, I would go on the Discord channel and advertise it, and I would go on the Telegram channel as well and advertise that. And this is where I would see if I'm collecting any fees, okay, on this last screen. This is the wallet contents, all right? Okay, so the documentation is pretty extensive. If you look inside, they explain everything I just explained in greater detail. Okay. On their Discord channel, ask questions there. Once you uploaded your files, you should discuss them in the share files here to get other people interested in your files so that they can seed them and earn money. Okay. This way you can distribute your files better. You should also subscribe to their Telegram channel, which is very active, and publicize your files there as well so that you get a lot more people to seed them. All right. Now, for those of you that are curious about who started all this, it's Tyler Fallon, the founder. He actually is behind several other projects like Tokina and Lodo Finance. He's a blockchain software engineer. So he's got a lot of experience in this kind of projects. You can read about his bio on LinkedIn. There are other documentation that talks about Upfire. If you search on, you can find them on the Telegram and on the Discord channel. They explain more detail what you can do. They explain also other places where you can upload your files and so on, so that you get like more people interested in your project. So if you got you know, I don't know, a video or document, you want as many people as possible to see your files if you want them if you want to earn money out of this, and if you want to distribute to a larger number of people. All right. So, and that's it for this video. If you like this kind of stuff, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell, download the free book, and all you have to do is put your email and your name and then hit the submit button, and then you get a big fat button that says download the free book. If you don't want it for free, go to Amazon and give $5.99 to Jeff Bezos, and Jeff will send me a whole $1. See you later.